In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extend your visa. So if you're already living in the UK as a dependent, and if you're on a health and care visa as a dependent, in this video I'll show you exactly how to extend your visa, your whole visa process. So it's pretty straightforward. You don't have to, go for an agent or something. You can just do it pretty much yourself. You just have to download an app where you can verify your identification, and once you have done that, you can pretty much submit your whole visa application and pay for it yourself. So let's jump into it. This is the page where you will start applying for your extension. So I'll link this page on the bio as well, so you can click on it and go to the page straight away. So once you're on this page, go to your partner and children. Scroll all the way down till where you see this bit. It will show you apply online as your partner inside the UK. Click on that. Choose England, which is where I am from and which is where I live at the moment. And it will ask you, you currently have an EU Swiss passport. For my case, no. Do I have a BRP? For my case is yes. Has it expired? Yes. It was expired 18 months ago. Have you provided fingerprints for UK visa application? For my case, yes. Most of the cases it will be yes, because if you're already in the UK, then obviously you have already done your biometrics before. VC name, only biometric residence permit, same, yes. So this is where they will ask you to download an app called UK Immigration ID Check, which you can download from the App Store or Android App Store. That app will be used later on to verify your identity. Okay, then you press continue. So here you have to create an account. So I'm creating this for myself. Just gonna put my name. Indian, continue. It's asking me for my 1017 31st 12 2024. So I'm just giving just random numbers because this is a demo application, so I'm just not gonna bother putting the correct details. So when you're doing it, obviously you have to check whether you have given the right information. Okay, what identity to use? Create account. I'm just gonna use biometric. Oh, did I do something wrong? Five two five 1010 512 2019. 35158. Okay, so once you have created this account with them, with the UKV website, it will take you to this page where you have to submit all this, fill in all this information. So let's start with the first one, eligibility. Continue. Okay, the first question is yes, I suppose. Yes. yes. This spouse's partner in the UK when they applied, yes. So even though my partner, she's on a health and care visa, on the visa application you have to go for this skilled worker visa. And later on it will give you health and care visa option. There you go. So because she's a pharmacist and working for the NHS, so she's automatically eligible for this. If you're not sure, you can find this out on your COS, or you can chat with your HR and you can get that amended as well. So I'm gonna put yes, continue. So that part is done. So the next part is where you will confirm your identity. This will be done using an app application which can be downloaded on your phone, like I mentioned earlier. So I'm gonna do this, and I will get back once I'm done with this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put yes. Okay, so I have to do this first, and I will get back. Okay, so as you can see, I've done the identity check, which is using the app. It's pretty straightforward. All you need is your BRP and take some photos of yourself and scan your face, then scan the BRP, and that's about it. So the next thing, linking code for family members. Click on that. So will any other family members be applying to come to the UK? For my case, no. Continue. Next one is, am I using any immigration advisors? For my case, no. Continue. Contact preferences, you can give any email ID. For my case, I'm just gonna put that as a email ID where they can contact me. I'm just gonna give my phone number as well. What is your address? So this is address where you are living at the moment. So for my case, I'm just gonna put a random address, because this is not a real application. I'm just doing this for the demo purpose. Okay, that's completed. Next thing, any other names? Just please make sure you read everything through, because I already have done my application, so I know what they are asking. So before you click on yes or no for every question, please do read the question fully and then submit your answers. Any other names? For my case, no. Your ID card. So in this, if you have an Aadhaar card or something with your if you're from India, you must have an Aadhaar card or something. So if you want to give that details, you can do that. If you don't want to do it, you can just press no. So for my case, I just did no. Your other nationalities, do you currently hold, have you held any other nationalities or citizenship? For my case, no. So if, example, like, some people could hold multiple citizenships. So you'll have to provide all those details there. So now I'm just gonna press continue. All right. So next, so we have completed that. We're gonna move on to the next section. So this would be where I'm from. So at the moment I'm in the UK, so I'll put that as UK. Continue. Immigration status. We currently have an UK visa entry clearance. For my case, yes, because I'm already on a dependent visa, which is going to expire. So that's the reason I'm trying to extend it. So I'm already on a visa, so I would say, put as yes. What entry clearance? So this can be found on your online. You can just click on this link and go to your UKV account and find out what visa you're on. For my case, it would be dependent. Okay, so do I currently have any other application at the moment? For my case, no. Check your answers again, continue. So that part is completed. Next, personal details. So your sex, if you're female, male, if it's others, click according to your sex. Country of birth, just going to put it as India. Passport details, I'm just going to put a random one, so I don't want to give my real passport details. As I said, this is just a demo application. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Place of issue, India. 1/1/2020. Expiry date would be 1/1/2030. Okay. You must notify exactly. It's asking me when did I move in there, so I would say 1/21. I say I rented. Company's name. I'm just gonna come up with ABC. 6075 road. Portsmouth. Yeah, 40B. United Kingdom. Continue. Thanks. Okay. Continue. So that is your landlord's details. If you don't know what I did there. So next thing is partner relationship details. What is your partner? What is your relationship status? I'm married. Current partner's name. So I'm just gonna put a random name. Date of birth 2/2/1992. Nationality, I would say maybe India. Do they currently live with me? Yes. No. Here's your partner's phone number. Just gonna put my own number there, because as I say, this is just a demo application. So this passport, yes. C 1 2 3. Okay, let's just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. India 1/1/2020 1/1/2030. Do you have permission to stay? Yes, I do. Live together completely. For my case, yes. Although I did have a work somewhere else in the UK, but we were still living together. So I'm just gonna put that as a yes. Okay, that part is completed now. Now it's parents' details. This is your parents, not your spouse's parents. It's your parents. I'm gonna keep my mom's details. Mother name 1/1/19. I would say 65. Here. Yes. Continue. Yes. Now I'm gonna give my father's details. Father. Name 1/1/1960. Yes. Once you've done that, continue. So that is all completed there. Next thing is people applying with you. Does your partner already have their skilled worker visa? Yes. For my case, yes. Do you know if this is an end date? I do. What is the end date? So this can be found on the on their email address or wherever they have applied. So when you get a decision on your visa, you should they will usually email you the end date as well. So that can be found on the email or UKV's website. You can easily check the e-visa. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in 1/1/25, right? 25, 20, 27. Okay, 1/1/27. So this is asking for the UN number. This can also be found online on the email address or UKB website. Now, if you have kids, you have to say yes and put the details there. Partner application details. Does your does have a certificate sponsorship number? Yes. Just gonna copy and paste that. Work date start 1/1/2025. 1/1/2026. So this can be found on I will just show you. Go to Google. SOC is what's it called? Is so there you go. It can be found here. All the codes can be found here. So for my case, pharmacist, that is that 2212112. Continue. I'll put a link for this as well on the bio. It can also be checked. It is yes. Okay, next is continue. Financial maintenance. So for this, usually if your employer is NHS, or usually whoever is coming through a skilled worker visa, the company will provide you with their partner's financial maintenance. So that will be usually mentioned on the COS, or if you're NHS, it should be mentioned on the COS letter. So you can put it as yes. Continue. Travel history. Time spent in the UK, I would put it as 4 years and 4 months. Time spent outside the UK. This is asking you if you have been out of the UK for more than 2 weeks, like continuously. For my case, no. Have I visited any of these countries in the past 10 years? For my case is no. History, have I been to any other countries in the last past? For my case, no. Medical treatment is in the UK. If you have a medical treatment done in the UK, you can put the details in there. You can put it as yes, then you can give the details. For my case is no. Yes, yes, I have purchased. I've got medication from the pharmacies and all, but nothing which was major or anything, so I don't have to really put that in there. So I'm gonna put it as no. National insurance number. I do have a national insurance number. Just gonna copy that. Insert to that. I do have a driving license, but for this purpose, I'm not gonna put it as. It's fine. If you have it, you can provide it. I do have a full driving license, but I'm not gonna put it there because I just don't want to, show it to the world. Okay, public funds, no. Okay, that's all done. Continue. Next, criminality. Please read through all this. If you find any of this true, you have to put as yes or no. For my case is no. Have you ever entered the UK illegally? Or read through. If you have breached any UK law, you have to put it as yes, then give more explanation about what has happened. For my case is no. Continue. Any convictions or anything? No. Like I said, please read through before you answer these questions. Continue. Read through all this before you answer them. If you have ever worked with any of these organizations, you have to give more details about it. No. Continue. Next is account security questions, which can be used if you have forgotten the password or something later on, so you can give whichever is more the best of your interest. Continue. So these can be used. Just make sure you note them down, so just in case if you forget the password, you can easily reset them later on. So that is done. Declaration. Read them through and confirm them. Continue. Evidence. So once you get into this stage, sometimes they might ask you for further evidence, which can be submitted later on once you have made the payment and stuff. They will ask you, or they will email you if you have to submit any extra documents, which can be bank statements, can be wedding certificates, could be utility bills to prove your address or identity or anything. Usually they won't, as long as you have given all the documents. Should be fine with it. Okay, so I can confirm I'm the applicant, age over 18. Continue. Now this is where you'll find out how much it is. Usually it's £304. Next step is, so because you are going through a health and care visa route, you don't have to pay health surcharge, so which is a good thing because that can come up to a good amount. So people who go the other route, which is just skilled worker visa, they have to pay for immigration surcharge, sorry, health surcharge. So for this case, you don't have any health surcharge. There you go. That's your visa fee. That's for 3 years. So if it's more than 3 years, I think I don't know if I remember correct. I think it's 590, depending on how many years you have. I think 5 is the most. 5 is the maximum years you can apply for. So I think that is 590. And for 3 years it's gonna be £304. So once you reach this page, continue, make the payment, and that's it. Continue to work pay. You can use your any credit card or debit card to do the payment. You can't use American Express. You can pretty much use any other cards. So make the payment. Once you have done the payment, they will ask you if you want to provide any extra documents. If they need any extra documents, they will contact you and send them the extra documents if they need any, and that's it. There you have it. Usually you will, well, I got my visa back in less than 2 weeks, so it's an easy process nowadays. So yeah, so if everything goes well, and if you have completed your visa application correctly, you should get your visa back as soon as possible, within 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. But once you do the payment, they will send you an email with an expected date of when they will give you the decision on the application. So you should get the visa even before that. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends if anyone is trying to get their visa sorted. Like I said, I'm always here to help. If you have any queries, any comments, comment them down below. I will try to reply to as many as you can. And thank you so much for subscribing, and like this video and share it with your friends if it helps. Anyway, thank you. See you on the next one.